Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to have access to your Memefi token, how to swap it, or how to send it to an exchange for you to trade it, okay? Because right now, OKX Web3 wallet, there is so much traffic there. You cannot do anything there. You cannot swap. You cannot send out. Nothing, okay? So what you need to do is for you to download Bitgate wallet if you don't have Bitgate wallet, okay? It's either you download Bitgate wallet or you download Su wallet from Play Store. Bitgate wallet or Su wallet from Play Store, okay? So for the sake of this video, I'll be using Bitgate wallet, okay? Because this is where I sold mine. This is where I imported mine and sold mine, okay? But if you can still swap in your OKX Web3 wallet, you can go ahead and swap. But if you cannot swap, you just follow me step by step, okay? So once you get your Bitgate wallet ready, you can copy your key phrase. That your Su wallet in your OKX. That wallet that you connected to your Memefi account, you can copy the key phrase. Once you copy the key phrase, you click on this place, okay? On this place, you click there to import your wallet, okay? So you click on add a wallet. So you click on import wallet, okay? Click on import wallet. You click on this first one, import, okay? So your key phrase, you're going to paste it here, okay? Remember what I said, that particular wallet that you linked when you are doing Memefi. Copy the key phrase and paste it here, okay? So I'm going to do my own off camera. I've actually withdrawn mine, so I'm using somebody's account for this tutorial, okay? Okay, so as you can see, they say wallet import successful, okay? So you click on got it. So once you are done importing your key phrase, you click on this all mainnet, okay, to change it to Su. You type Su. Okay, so you add it. Okay, the person doesn't have Su for gas fee. Okay, so I'm going to gift him a Su. Okay guys, the first thing I'm going to do after importing the key phrase is to add the Memefi contract address. How do you add a contract address? You click on manage tokens, okay? Then you paste the contract address here. I'm going to paste the contract address below this video, in the description box of this video, okay? So as you can see it here, so you just click on this plus sign. And you say added successfully. So you just go back. You have to go back. Okay guys, so I just added it. After adding it, I just find out that they have not sent the token that I claimed here, okay? So you need to wait until they send the token to you, okay? So, and you must have Su here because you'll be using Su for gas fee for sending out, okay? So once you get your Memefi token here, the next thing you're going to do is for you to send it to an exchange, okay? So you just click on it. You click on it, okay? They listed it on Bitgate exchange, so you can just click on send, okay? You click on send. Then you go to your Bitgate exchange. Instead of going to Bybit, you go to your Bitgate exchange. So this is my Bitgate exchange. Once you come to your Bitgate exchange, you click on assets, okay? You click on assets. So you click on add funds, okay? Then you click on deposit crypto. So you search for Memefi, okay? So my own is already showing here because I've already searched for it. So you just search for Memefi. You allow it to load. You copy your wallet address, okay? You copy your wallet address, then you go back to your Bitgate wallet. Remember, there is difference between Bitgate wallet and Bitgate exchange, okay? In case if you don't have Bitgate exchange where you can sell your Memefi token, maybe your Bitgate exchange is not verified, you can use Bybit or any other place that they listed Memefi or MEX, okay? You can use any exchange that they listed Memefi as long as you are verified there, okay? But if you don't have exchange where you can sell your token, I also have a vendor that can buy it from you, okay? So once you come back to your Bitgate wallet, you click on this wallet, okay? Click on this wallet. So as you can see on Memefi here, you click on it. Now you are sending it out. You click on it. So you click on send, okay? Then you paste the wallet address that you copied, okay? You paste the wallet address that you copied here because it's wrong. That's why it's showing like this. I did not copy the wallet address because this person have not received his Memefi, okay? So once you paste the wallet address, you click on all, okay? Click on all, and the total of your Memefi will show here, okay? So once you click on all and your Memefi shows here, the total of your Memefi shows here, then you click on confirm. So once you confirm, you allow it to send. You receive it in your exchange, okay? So after you must have received it in your exchange, if you go to your assets, you're going to see it somewhere here. You're going to see it somewhere here. So if you want to sell it, you click on trade, okay? You click on trade. You click on sell, okay? This limit order, you change it to market, okay? Change it to market. I'm giving you people free class now. So once you change it to market, you type in the quantity of Memefi that you want to sell. If you want to sell all of them, you click on 100%, okay? Click on 100% and all the Memefi token will appear here. Then you click on sell, okay? You click on sell. That is how you will sell it, and it's going to sell to USDT. Then you can now decide to sell your USDT. If you also want to sell your USDT and you don't know how to sell your USDT, I also have a vendor that is buying USDT, okay? Like I said earlier, before you start with this transaction, make sure that you have funded your wallet with SU token, okay? Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And if this video is helpful, please kindly like my video, comment and share. If you're not in my WhatsApp group, I'm going to drop my WhatsApp group link below this video. Click on it and join my WhatsApp group, okay? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like my videos.